Hi, Papa. We're in Tampa again, camping out in the driveway in our van. And it's springtime and it gets cool in the mornings, 59, 60 degrees, but it's hot in the afternoons and you get sweaty when you're strolling around, pushing your grandson in a stroller around the neighborhood. So I found a new quick way to take a bath because I get hot and sticky in the afternoons and I don't want to go to bed sticky. I never have wanted to do that because it's uncomfortable and I don't sleep well, but I want to have a quick bath. So I'm referring to Ernest Hemingway, who lived in Cuba for some time, and he only took alcohol sponge baths as his way of keeping clean. So I've adopted a new method for taking an alcohol sponge bath that really works for me. You've seen this before. This is a hydrogen peroxide spray bottle, except that I have rubbing alcohol in here, 70% rubbing alcohol in here. So when I'm ready to take a bath in the evenings to get the sticky sweat off, I just spray myself down like that. That was more sprays than necessary. And then rub like this, doing one spotty section at a time. After I rub and loosen up all that sweat, I wipe it off with a bandana. Use a towel, of course. And that's all there is to it. It's quick and easy. It doesn't take long. There's no mess at all. Nothing spills. You don't have to dispose of anything. This thing is saturated with alcohol, so you just hang it up and in 5 or 10 minutes it's completely dry and sterilized. Not only that, but your entire body is sterilized. Now, as you probably know, there are body parts that you don't want to put 70% rubbing alcohol on, so use with discretion. But rubbing alcohol is perfectly fine to put on your skin. They call it rubbing alcohol, and in the old days they used it to people do massages, put it on their their customers, to completely rub them down. And if you have a sore neck, in the past people used to put rubbing alcohol on that neck and rub it, and that helps. So rubbing alcohol is really totally safe to put on you, kills germs, and it cuts all the sweat and grease. No muss, no fuss, and it's working for me right now. I thought I'd share it with you guys, my van camping and tiny house buddy. Hey, another thing is that you can use this method on your hair and it won't hurt you. I've washed my hair with rubbing alcohol for years to no ill effects, although that bald spot back there, I don't know. No, just kidding. And what do you do if you get rubbing alcohol in your eyes? Yeah, nothing. It burns for a little bit, but that's all. It won't hurt your eyes at all. It's happened to me many times. Just kidding. Rubbing alcohol won't hurt you. Like I said before, it will just burn certain body parts that you have to be careful about. Okie dokie. Papa out.